Got leftover idlis and don't know what to do with them? Same old boring upma again? No, not this time. Today I'm going to share you a super easy idli ghee roast recipe. So soft, juicy, spicy, literally melts in your mouth. A perfect snack or an appetizer you will keep making again and again. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's start by soaking the red chilies and the tamarind. Here I have 5 to 6 red chilies and a small ball of tamarind. Here is the dry ingredients for the masala. A tablespoon of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and fennel seeds, 4 cloves small piece of cinnamon, peppercorns and 10 methi seeds. I'm going to dry roast this whole masala. Once you started to get a nice aroma out of this, that means it is done. Turn off the flame and put this in a mixer jar. Add soaked red chilies and tamarind. I'm using this tamarind water to grind the masala. Grind it into thick paste just like this. You can see the texture here, it is not too smooth. Next, in a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 small cubed onion, handful of curry leaves, a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. It's optional. Fry it until the raw smell disappears. Next, I'm adding our special ghee roast masala. Fry it until the masala gets cooked very well and start to release the ghee. It has cooked nicely. It started to release the ghee. Let's add some salt. Give it a quick mix. Remember, there is salt in idli as well. Here I have cut idli into a bite-sized cubes. Gently mix it. Let the masala get coated with the idli nicely. Add some coriander leaves. Another quick mix and it's ready. It smells so good. Serve it hot. Literally it melts in your mouth. Please try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you know any other unique leftover idli recipes, please share that in the comment. Thank you so much. See you next time.